Hi guys. Oh, hi guys. Don't. This video has to be quick because I have got a school disco, like not very long. So I do have to get ready for that. So can't be going on for ages like last video. But it still will. Be hopefully not really bad. I don't know if this is gonna be a good game or not. But hopefully it's gonna be a decent one. I don't wanna no. Right. Are there any home packs? Do I have packs? Daily pack. Oh, you get daily packs in this game. Pretty soon. Ooh. Oh yes. That pack was good. Probably gonna sell for quite a lot. Oh, 2,000 coins. Yeah, it's definitely gonna sell for a lot. It's not gonna sell for anything though. Any other daily login reward? What's this? Day 1, 5,000 coins. So that's today. Pack store. I actually have no idea what this is. I'm really confused on what it's supposed to do. What's this? Online draft. Oh, well, I think I'm just gonna look around and see anything. If there's anything that I can do, I probably won't be doing this game for like ages because this game is. I probably won't play this game. You know what? Let's just go on to this one. Oh, right. Oh yes, got an 89 plus player pack. Oh come on, be good. Creation, centre mid. That is going to be Modric's 91. I actually didn't realise it was 91. I had no idea he was 91. Icon. Oh, walkout icon. First pack. Zola. 90 rated. It's funny to think that you can get some icons that are lower rated than normal players. And icons are supposed to be like really good. Oh well. I'm just gonna not icon packs. Dev crew. I'll watch this ad, then I will stop, and then I'll open the pack, and then I'll show you what. Right, I've just watched the ad, so please give something good. I actually really want something good from these packs, because yesterday all 3 of my packs were terrible. It's a team of the year. Ramos, 97, come on. Right, that is already much better than what I got yesterday. Like anything I got yesterday. I'm glad. that, I got that. Right. I really hope that I'll get the 99 Ronaldo in this next Dev Crew pack, because I've just got a Team of the Year, and that is literally the only 99 that I need to get. So I need to get 99 Team of the Season Ronaldo. Oh no, there are more 99s. There's 99 Messi Team of the Season, 99 Ronaldo Team of the Season, and 99 Ronaldo Team of the Year. So I need 3 more 99s, and then I have all of the 99s in the game. Right, wish me luck. Right, just watch the ad, come on. I actually really want something good. I'm not even going to look. I think it should be done now. So I'm going to have a look now. Patrick Catrone, 89. Alright, that's good. I'm going to do the same thing for the next pack as well. Same thing for the next pack as well. Got 2 99s on that pack. That's sick. Right, I'm not even going to look at this one. I'm probably not even going to look at the ad. I'm just going to cover well, I'll watch the ad and then I'll just press the pack and close my eyes. You guys will see, but I won't until after. So you get excited if I get anything good. Right, I've just watched the ad. Oh, right, I'm covering my eyes. I'm covering my eyes. Come on. I don't even have any sound on my headphones, so I can't even hear if it's a walkout or not. I really hope it isn't terrible. I'm just going to wait for a bit longer so I know it's done. 3, 2, 1. 96 Team of the Year Varane. Yes! That is sick. Oh, yes. And 88 Team of the Season as well. I'm so happy about that pack. Oh. Yes. Right, I'll show you my squad at the moment. Look, this is my squad. Right. I have some improvements to make. Varane there. And then Ramos there. Search and then yes, it's a 195. That is a sick squad. 99 Pele. I can't believe I have that card. Might save that. Now let's play a match against the hardest team, godlike team. Get an 89 plus rated player. And I'm literally just going to carry on playing games against these guys until I lose. So I might literally lose the first one. But I am already ahead. Right. Ooh. I've had a lot more possession in this half. And it's almost half time. And they haven't even done anything. Right, it's half time and they haven't done anything. It's 1-0. Right, they could actually score. Whew. Right, they did not, luckily. Right, Sanju has defended that. I don't feel comfortable with like only 1 goal lead. Oh my god, I actually won by 1 goal. Right, as I said, I'm going to keep going until I lose. And that's what I'm going to keep doing. And then I'm just going to open my reward packs and that's going to be at the end of the video. So, right, I really hope I literally don't lose my second one. If I lose this, then I'll just open the pack. I'll open my reward pack and a couple more. Wolverine. Oh. Right, like I said, I really hope I win this one. No! They've already scored. Oh. Come on. No. Yes! Oh, phew, we've came back. Hopefully we can do... Yes! 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 Come on. We've won. Yes! That is actually... Oh, I'm playing against the worst team. I'm not joking. I'm literally just going to carry on until I lose. So this video could literally be 90 years long. I could literally just keep going for ages and just pause for everything. Ooh. I was so scared then. I was silent because I was really scared. Oh. Right, come on. I really want to get ahead in the first half. Oh well. Couldn't get ahead in the first half, so let's see if we can get ahead in the second. Their defense is really good at the moment. Yeah, the Rangers shut down their attack. I don't think anyone's going to win this match. Oh. Uh-oh. If no one wins, it does not count, so I'll carry on playing. Uh-oh, I'll just press that. Alright, I'll play one more match. Even if I win or I lose. Well, if I lose, then I'll stop. If I win, then I'll still stop. Because, you know, just want to get the good parts. Oh, literally, I also have a video idea where I'll just be like playing off camera and just going and then just playing against Godlike team and then just opening a bunch of 89 plus packs. So I am gonna do that. So, and same thing with like the 16 million thing one that I said yesterday. So I'll just grind this off camera and then I'll just do that epic pack opening. It's going to be so annoying just sitting there watching the matches play out every time. But it is still going to be a good video. Right, we tied. So let's open these 89 plus player packs. I've only got 2. So hopefully I get a good one. You're guaranteed a walkout. 91 Hazard. Yes. Alright. Second one. Hopefully I can get someone over 91. It's going to be Harry Kane. It's 89. Oh. That was... Oof. That was not good. Oh well. I'll open a couple of icon packs. You know, because they give you the best luck. I'm just gonna carry on opening them until this video hits 15 minutes. I remember at the start I was so panicky, like, oh yes, Marcelo 90 rated. I was so panicky. I was just like, right, this video has to be quick, it has to be quick, it has to be quick. Now it's almost, and it's literally single-handedly the longest video on my entire YouTube channel. Well, the longest pack opening I've ever done. I haven't done a pack opening over 10 minutes. Well, like, not really far over 10 minutes. I think one of them might have been like 11 or something. But I've never done it like really far over 10 minutes. And this is almost gone to 15, so. Yeah, I've said it's going to be one of the longest pack openings I've ever done. And one of the longest videos I've ever done. I think the longest video I've ever done is like 25 minutes. Which is insane. Because basically, I just sat there talking. This is basically what I do on all these videos. Cavani 89, yes, get him. Right. Sorry about that. That's basically all I do. I just sit down. I just sit and play a game and just talk and sometimes complain about things. I wonder why people watch my videos. I don't think... Personally, I don't even think they're too exciting, to be fair. I don't even watch them back. I just send them in. It's like... you can't even see my face, so you have no idea what I'm doing. So it's not like I've done anything like weird or something. Because all I do is I lie in my bed and talk at my tablet. And that's all I do. I literally do this for fun and try and upload every day, and I basically have now. Because I literally didn't upload for like two or three months, which is absolutely which is absolutely insane, because of like what I usually do is like 92 Laurent Blanc. Yes, sorry. Like 2 or 3 months like in the summer, because I just was bored, to be fair. And I was so bored I didn't want to do the thing that I liked the most, which is really weird. And now I think about it, like, why? I was thinking, like, why do that? But I was just too tired. Because I spent most of my summer holidays in bed, so I wanted to make videos sometimes, and then I didn't. And yes, 89 N'Golo Kante. I keep getting really good practice in the middle of speaking. Alright. Like I said, I wanted to do videos, and then I was like, oh yeah, I'll do it after this video I watched, because I was literally just watching YouTube in my bed the entire time. 91 Pog Bob. Why do I keep getting class back? Why do I keep getting class back in the middle of talking? Ugh. Yeah, like I was saying, I was just in my bed watching YouTube, so I could have literally like got one out like once every week, but I was just too lazy to. And I was in Spain, and I do have an excuse for not uploading for the first week or two. I don't know. I can't remember how long it was. Yeah, it was definitely a full week. I have an excuse for that because I was on a holiday. So I bought my tablet, but you know, I couldn't have. The only time I was in the house, and I was always at the pool or in the house late at night, so I couldn't really record it then. 91 De Souza, yes, yeah, couldn't really record it then. So in the morning we didn't have time because we woke up, got dressed, went down to have some breakfast, and then we were by the pool. It was still a really fun holiday though. So I am 91 Modric as well. So I did have an excuse then, but I could have just got out one video each week throughout, and then I would have had about 5 videos. Yeah, because you get 6 videos off, 6 weeks off in the summer holidays. And I was only on a holiday for 1 week, so if I uploaded once a week, I still would have had 5 videos out, which would have been a lot better than not even uploading, then starting to upload daily, and then occasionally having to record twice, like having to record twice in one day just to fill up your YouTube channel, just to start getting up to speed with your. To start actually on YouTube, because you don't want videos that you're just leaving and then they're like 8 months ago. Like, I don't want to be sat there in like the middle of January 2020 and just be like, oh, I want to upload a video, and just be like, the last time I uploaded was like 8 months ago, and also what I didn't want to is because I would probably be complaining and I wouldn't be speaking that much, because I was thinking at that time to stop doing YouTube and change, like, I was thinking, like, first, I'll just stop YouTube. I haven't uploaded in ages, and I was thinking, well, I don't want to stop it, but it's just that I don't want to carry on with the name I have. So, I was thinking, like, and I didn't want to carry on with the name I had, because, like, why don't I have my PlayStation name? Because I have the name, yes, 90 rated. Why do I keep getting sick backs? I have the name CZEO literally on everything I do. So why is my YouTube channel called Lord of Slice? I don't know. I was just thinking about changing it to that. And I might actually carry on doing that, but I think the name has started to, you know, grow with me. And I'd keep all my subs in that, but then all my friends would be looking up like my YouTube channel name, and it's like, why is it not coming up? And I would have to say, oh yeah, I changed my name to this really forgettable thing. So I think I'm going to keep it that way. Keep it the way it is now. Even though I might not like it sometimes, I'm just going to keep it as it is. Because, you know, telling people, like, around my school is starting to, like, spread. People are starting to talk more and more about me having a YouTube channel. Like, it started, like, I told a couple of my friends, and then they all forgot about it. We all forgot about it because we had, like, a pact in the start of year 4, so I never really uploaded. So like, we were all talking about it, and then a couple of, but 2 of my friends from year 4, Freddie and Riley, said, oh, we both have YouTube channels, yeah. And I was like, oh, alright. So I didn't really say much. But now I started talking about it again. I was like, oh yeah, I started to tell you in year 4, don't you remember? That I had a YouTube channel. And they're like, nah, and we're doing like this thing where we made a practice website on this thing called Sites, where you can make your own website. And I called it Fun Site, and we're putting like videos and pictures and football teams on that, and football on there, and pack openings. And I was like, this video thing takes us to YouTube. Why don't I try and search up my YouTube channel and put one of my videos on there? And my friend who I was doing it with, Alfie, he was like, you have a YouTube channel? And I was like, yeah. That was funny, and we did it. We actually found 2 of my videos, and I put the 2 on there, which is pretty cool. And also funny and quick thing about that's not related. Quick side unrelated to the video. Alfie, it's actually Alfie's birthday today, so which is cool, and I'll be staying over his house at on Saturday. So I'll be sleeping over, and I will record a YouTube video there. And I was thinking about doing something a lot different there, because we're going to watch like Endgame and Avengers Endgame and Guardians of the Galaxy. And I was thinking, like, I've never done it before, and it'll probably be like a one-time thing, but I think it might be pretty cool for, like, to record, see what we do. Like, we'll record us, like, playing football, and then, like, us playing football, and then, like, once we score a goal, like, we could go over to his tablet and then open it, like, at the thing, like, show it to my tablet, which is recording, and then, you know, show what we get, and then I'll, like, do a video opening Pokemon packs and my reaction and review to and review like the movies that we're gonna watch, and like review Endgame and Guardians of the Galaxy, because I haven't watched any of those movies yet, which will be really cool to watch for the first time, and I think it will be a fun and new thing to do. So let me know in the comments if you're excited for that, because I don't care if you're not. If you don't want me to, I still am doing it. Like I was saying about the other things, it's my YouTube channel. If you don't like it, then unsubscribe. So this is literally the longest pack opening I've ever done. It's almost 25 minutes, which is exactly the same time as the longest video I have ever recorded. So let's be cool. Let's do something cool and have the longest pack opening and the longest YouTube video on my channel, which I'm gonna be really annoying about, and make it 26 minutes long, making it my longest YouTube video and my longest pack opening, which will be pretty fun to upload, because it will actually take light years. It will take forever to upload. But do I care? No. I've got my title there, I've sorted my title. Just by talking about this, I've sorted my title. I know what it is already. It's going to be my longest pack opening and the longest video I have ever made. So I've sorted the title. So, and this pack opening isn't spectacular, and it isn't really bad either. It was not like yesterday's pack opening, but it still isn't like one of my most amazing pack openings. So I think this pack opening kind of does deserve to be the longest pack opening and my longest video, because it is actually a good pack opening. I've got 2 Team of the Years, loads of icons. So if you think about it, it's not actually that bad. It's just that I'm comparing it to others. Right. It's past the 26-minute mark, making it the longest pack opening and the longest video I've ever made. So on that note, I am gonna stop recording now, because I've been recording for absolutely, and I've literally just realised like no one is gonna watch this video. So share this video with your friends. Tell everyone you know to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.